Hi, good morning everyone. I am teacher Nalin Manuel. You can call me Ma'am Len for short. I am your teacher in Science 3 for the whole year. So class, good morning once again. For today's meeting, let's tackle about Earth and its natural resources. For today, our objectives is identify renewable resources and non-renewable resources, and describe how living things benefit from the environment. So, class, do you have any idea about our objective for today? Huh? Do you have any idea? Para naapa mo mas may idea, class, let's have a motivation first. So, what did you see in the picture? Huh? It's Earth. Okay, very good. When you look at the Earth from the surface, what does it look like? Unsa kay parehas sa Earth kung atong kitaon? Yes, it's like a blue marble. Very good. What do you think it's the bluish color surface of the Earth? Kanang blue nga inyong makit-an sa Earth, unsa man kana siya? It represent a water. So, how many percent of water in it's covered? The surface. Yes, it's 75%. Very good. So class, as you look closer, what is the other color that you see? Sabay niyo makitaan nga color gawa sa blue. Yes, it's color green. So green is represent for what? Yes, it's represent land. So, the land, how many percent of the land? How many percent of the Earth's surface covered with land? It's 25%. Class, is Earth also covered with air? So, what color represent the air? As you look in the picture, what color? It's color white. Very good, class. So, class, as we go further, I have a question. Where do we find the animals? Where do we find the animals? Alright, in the environment, class. So, class, what is environment? So, environment is everything that makes up the surroundings and affects the activities of living things and non-living things. It consists all living things on the earth. So, maunday na siyang environment, no? Ang environment, na ako no siya'y kuan nga living things o non-living things. So, what are examples of living things, class? What did you think the examples of living things? So, it's human, plants, and animals. Or kanang mo exist, kanang naginhawa. Muna siya example sa mga living things, class, ha? So, what do we call the things in the environment? Unsa na atong gitawag anang mga kuan, kanang mga nakakuan sa environment, mga nabutang sa environment? Unsa tawag ana niya? Ang tawag ana niya kuno, we call that natural resources. So, what is natural resources? What is natural resources, ma'am? So, a natural resources is anything that people can use which comes from the natural like land, water, and air. So, ma'am, na din na ang kaniang sa environment, makitaan din na sa environment ang natural resources. Yes, class, makitaan nato dira sa natural resources. Diha nato makitaan ang ato ang land, ang atong gipuy-an karon, ang atong yuta, ang water nga atong giinom, ug ang air nga nag-supply nato para mabuhi. Mo din na siya, class. How do living things benefit from the environment? giunsa pag-benefit sa environment sa mga living things sa environment. Without water, without air, without land, we still exist? No. So, without water, without air, without land, living things cannot exist. Dili mabuhi ang mga living things kung wala na siyang tulo. So, importante kaayo, it's really important. Really important sa tao ang kaniyang water, air, and land, and also plants and animals. Magdepende ta sa ato ang environment class. Ha? We really dependent upon the environment. So, ma'am, what are renewable resources? So, ma'am, what is renewable resources? Renewable resources are natural resources that can be replaced or renewed within a short period of time. Muna siya ang definition sa atong renewable resources class. So, how about ma'am, what are the non-renewable resources? So, class, non-renewable resources are natural resources that cannot be easily replaced within a short period of time. They can take hundreds or million years to form. Kabaliktaran sa renewable resources. Di ka basta-basta makakuan ani, maka-replace, maka-form. So class, did you understand? So for our activity today, I want you to get one whole sheet of paper. And in the one whole sheet of paper, you will list down the 10 examples of living things, 10 examples of non-living things, 10 examples of renewable resources, and 10 examples of non-renewable resources. It's a total of 80 points, and I will give bonus to the student who will pass before the time. I will give 20 points to the student. Understood? Any violent reaction? So, if it's none, so you may start answer now. Since it's already time class, so pass your paper, finish or unfinish. Pass it in the front. Okay, so again, what is natural resources again? Anyone? Natural resources is anything that people can use which comes from the nature like land, water, and air. Mo na nasa iyang major parts sa natural resources, ang atong land, water, and air. So class, what is an example of living things and non-living things? Unsa to naa sa living things, mga human, plants, and animals. Okay, very good. So, since you already know, let's continue this tomorrow. Since we don't have enough time. So, for now, I want you to research more examples for our lesson today, ha? Okay, understood? Okay, sige. Goodbye, class. God bless. Stay safe.